In SOLIDWORKS, you can use the universal joint mate to show the transferred movement between two rigid shafts that are connected to each other. The two shafts are locked in place, except for rotate movement. As per usual, select mates and mechanical mates. Select universal joints and select the two shafts or axes that you want to connect. As you rotate one of the shafts, the movement is transferred to the other shaft. As you can see, I can recreate this by using two concentric mate and a coincident mate. The result is the same, but it is not as accurate in motion analysis.